You might close your eyes. You might see if you can use your breath to connect into the body. You might see if you can feel your breath move all the way to your feet. See if you can feel into your heart space and sense warmth or tingling there. If you can sense openness, peace, even in your toes and fingertips. See if you can sense the aliveness of an energy and essence that lives in your body that cannot be named or defined or pinned down. And consider that this essence that you feel, this warmth and life and energy that lives in your body, is this spiritual essence of who you are. And that when you are here in this place, the highest that is within you has the capacity to be expressed, to be discovered, to be revealed, and to inform your next right step, whether that's in responding to a child or making a big career decision or in a relationship. That this place holds your greatest potential for your best life. Consider how often this part of you is driving in your day-to-day life.
Thanks for practicing with us. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more information and support to help you build a life of passion and purpose that you love.